What I wish I knew at the start of winter is how easy it is to beat a cough and cold naturally. First up, honey and lemon. Mix a spoonful of honey with a splash of lemon juice in warm water. Sip it slowly to soothe your throat. Next, steam inhalation. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl and breathe in the steam. Add a drop of eucalyptus oil for extra relief, and don't forget ginger tea. Grate some fresh ginger into hot water, let it steep, then enjoy. These natural remedies can help you feel better in no time. Stay warm, stay hydrated, and take care.